Welcome to 50-Second Flags. Here's 50 seconds about the flag of South Africa. Obviously, South Africa is in the south of Africa. It's a very multi-ethnic and multicultural country with 11 official languages. Adopted in 1994, the South African flag symbolizes a new beginning following the end of apartheid. It was designed by Fred Brownell, who was South Africa's head flag guy, or state herald, at the time. Brownell was inspired by the coming together of many cultural and ethnic groups in post-apartheid South Africa, which he represented with the Y shape converging from the hoist side of the flag. The colors bring together the various flags from the country's past: the black, green, and yellow of Nelson Mandela's African National Congress, the blue and white seen in South Africa's pre-apartheid flag, and the red, white, and blue of the Dutch flag and the British Union Jack. An interesting note, the shade of red in South Africa's flag is somewhere between plain red and orange, a compromise between the Afrikaner orange and the red of Anglo-Africans. South Africa's flag flies proudly all over the country, including on this cozy onesie. See you next time for more flag facts.